Hello YouTube, this is my design, or not my design, that's my design, but this is a design made by Simon Burfield for a Lego Pneumatic engine. You can see the Lego cylinders here and here. This is the wheel, that's the compressor. This is a video response to Simon Burfield using your design. Hope you like it. Let me just turn on the compressor. We'll have it build pressure for a little bit. I had build pressure up, but I flipped this switch the wrong way. So, there you have it. Designed by Simon Burfield, Lego Pneumatic engine. I can make a tutorial in the future. If you'd like, just comment.